In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Hanging Man Bearish indicator, quick and easy, inside TradingView. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to get this candlestick pattern showing up cleanly on your charts. Let's get started right from your TradingView chart. With your chart open, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually found near the toolbar above the price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and add all kinds of technical tools and candlestick patterns. Once that panel is open, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click inside that search bar so it's active, and then type the word hanging. You don't have to type the full name of the pattern, just hanging is enough to filter down the list. As you type, TradingView will automatically narrow the results to anything related to hanging patterns, including the Hanging Man variations. Now, from the list of results that appears below, look for the one labelled Hanging Man Bearish. Take a second to make sure you're selecting the bearish version, since there can be similarly named scripts or other community indicators. Once you've found Hanging Man Bearish, simply click on it. After you click, the indicator will be added directly to your chart. You should now see markers or visual signals appear on your candles whenever the Hanging Man Bearish pattern is detected. If nothing shows up right away, try zooming out a bit or scrolling back through your chart history, since the pattern may not be present on your most recent candles. You can also open the indicator settings by hovering over its name in the chart legend and clicking the settings icon. From there, you can adjust colors, visibility, and other preferences so it matches your chart style and is easy to spot at a glance. If you plan to use this indicator regularly, it's a good idea to save your chart layout after adding it, so you don't have to repeat these steps every time. Just save your layout in TradingView, and the Hanging Man Bearish indicator will be there the next time you open that chart. Finally, if you want to unlock more advanced features, extra alerts, and more layout options in TradingView, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description to upgrade to TradingView Pro. It helps support the channel and gives you a more powerful charting experience while you work with patterns like the Hanging Man Bearish.